Hello everyone, so on this video I'm gonna teach you how you can generate a document based on your MasterTool project. The first thing you may want to include into this document is to assign a title or an author for this project. You can do this by going to the project menu and project information, and here on the summary tab you can type your company name, the title of your documentation, and the version of your project. Okay, so now if you want to generate a PDF file based on your project, let's go to the project menu again and document this project. Here you can select all the objects that are going to be part of your document. Okay, so I'm selecting everything and clicking on OK button. Now, if I want to generate a PDF file based on this project, I can select the Microsoft Print to PDF and press OK. Now it will start to generate our document. Now I can select a name for my document, so it will select the folder where my project is located to save my PDF file. Let's create a file called demonstration and let's save the document. So now MasterTool will start to send the pages to the printer, and so it will start to generate my PDF file. I can see here in the folder that my file was already created, but as MasterTool hasn't finished to send all the documentation, I will not be able to open the documentation yet. So I need to wait for MasterTool finishes to send the project. Okay, now it's finished, so I can now open my PDF file. Okay, now you can see here that it has all the information of my devices, my variables, my DVLs, and all my programs.